If you're having problem opening the repl.it website for your Python lesson, you may need to clear the cache and to update Chrome. To do this, you go top right, you're looking for the little three vertical dots in Google Chrome. Click it and then select Settings. In Settings, you can type in the search Update. Click Check Now. In this case, my Chrome is up to date, so I don't need to run an update. But if it tells you that yours is out of date, that's the first thing. You can also, in the menu on the left, check About Chrome, and it will tell you which version you are running. Once you're done that, you can clear the cache, you can clear all what Chrome remembers of what you've been doing, what you've been browsing. So if you type there history, and then you select clear browsing data, you can also type clear instead of history, and that will take you to the same results. If you do clear the browsing history, be very sure in the Advanced tab that you are not clearing passwords, especially if you're using somebody else's computer during lockdown. You don't want to clear this. And time range, you can go back. I'm going to run it for everything, and then press Clear Data. You can also make sure that you can also clear the cookie when you close Chrome's. And after running all of this, I'm going to close Chrome and open it again. And now I've got a completely empty Chrome, which will remember nothing of what I've done before. And this way I should be able to use the link we gave you in the worksheet to do the Python coding with absolutely no problem.